use a turkey collar. Oh yeah, that's Nicole, my sister. I'm telling you how to use a turkey collar. If you walk into the woods, swinging this little thingy turkey collar, jigger thingy thing, then turkeys can come to you. But make sure you don't run, because then, you know, they could chase after you and pinch you with their sharp little beaks. I think they're beaks. Yes, I think they're beaks. And they could also think that you're a hot turkey, so you gotta be careful about that too.